So here in this problem we have to find the distance between u and v, and u we are given as 3 comma minus 1 comma 2 comma 0, and v we are given as 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3. Now the distance d will be equals to under root 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 1 whole square, so minus 1 whole square, then plus the next is 2 and here is 1, so 2 minus 1 square, so 2 minus 1 square plus now here is 0 and